amendment change, they supported it. No policy measure this government will support because they are allies now of the BJP. They are NDA partners. So, to look after or protect the interests of Tamil Nadu and the Tamil people here, will they stand on the question of Salem steel plant? Will they stand on the question of Neyveli? If the state government takes a stand, it will not be possible for them. You just recall a few years ago, they tried to sell shares in Neyveli. That time too, there was a DMK government. But what did Ms. Jayalalitha do? She said, no, you can't sell. Finally, she said, I'll buy some of the shares, but I won't let it go to private. Will this government be able to do it? Because they become a junior partner, or a more polite word I'm using, junior partner. Actually, they become a slave. Tamil say Adime Arasu. They will not raise their voice on any issue. Big attack is coming from the Modi government, affecting the people of Tamil Nadu, affecting the... Tamil Nadu has its own unique culture and civilizational values. Like in every... India is a big multicultural, multi-diverse country. They want only one... The slogan of RSS has always been one nation, one language, one culture. Now they have added one leader also. So what will happen to, they will impose Hindi, they will say our Hindutva culture can be the only culture that can be followed. This AIDMK will never take a stand to protect the interests of Tamil Nadu and its people. That is why in this coming election, the question is not only of electing a new government. We have to make sure that there is a government in Tamil Nadu which will stand firm against these onslaughts on the people's rights, on their cultural, social and civilizational identity. This is very important. That is why we are going to conduct this election campaign from this angle. It is not just a question of Tamil Nadu having some government. It's a question of Tamil Nadu having a government which will defend secularism, which will defend its cultural identity, which will defend itself from the onslaught of the central government's anti-people policies. So, election campaign, coming election campaign is crucial because every ally of the BJP, you see all the history. We are going to have an election in Assam also, along with Tamil Nadu. There was a regional party there, Assam Gana Parishad. They were a ruling party. Twice they were elected to government. Today, what is their plight? They become a junior partner of BJP. After allying with BJP 2 times, BJP got the upper hand and they have become the major party. And AGP's identity is not there now. So, that will be the fate if AIDMK comes again. They will, those numbers they are bigger now than BJP. BJP will steamroller and take over whatever identity or heritage AIDMK had, that won't remain. That is the nature of the BJP and RSS. It is a threat to every state, every regional party and every state's rights. So that is why this fight is much wider, and I hope that in this election campaign we'll be able to take this message to the people and ensure the defeat of the AIDMK-BJP alliance, and we have a new government which will be composed or represented by the alliance which we have formed of the Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam and these other parties. Thank you.